choo, choo, choo. The alphabet train is here. A, point up high, with a bridge across the sky. A is for apple, shiny too. Arrives the train. Choo, choo, choo. B, bounce around. Two round bellies make the sound. B is for balloon, so blue. B rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. C, curve so wide, like the moon up in the sky. C is for cookie, sweet to chew. C rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. D, drum so loud, big round tummy standing proud. D is for dinosaur too. D rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. E, open wide, three little lines side by side. E is for elephant at the zoo. E rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, train goes down the track. Let her smile. They'll be back. F, flying high, like a flag up in the sky. F is for fish, swimming blue. F rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. G, giggle and grin, round and curly tucked within. G is for giraffe at the zoo. G rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. H, standing tall, with the bridge right through them all. H is for hippo, splashing through. H rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. I, slim and straight, standing tall and looking great. I is for ice cream, sweet and cool. I rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. J, jump and sway, curving softly all the way. J is for jelly, shiny too. J rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, train goes down the track. Let her smile. They'll be back. K, kicks so high, with two arms reaching to the sky. K is for kangaroo, so true. K rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. L, long and tall, standing straight beside the wall. L is for lion at the zoo. L rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. M, mountain high, two big bumps up to the sky. M is for monkey swinging through. M rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. N, nice and neat, one tall line and bridge so sweet. N is for nest for baby blue. N rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. O, round and bright, like the moon that shines at night. O is for orange, juicy too. O rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, train goes down the track. Let her smile. They'll be back. P, pop up bright, one tall line and belly right. P is for penguin in the blue. P rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Q, quiet and round, with a little tail curled down. Q is for queen with a golden shoe. Q rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. R, ready to run, standing tall and full of fun. R is for rabbit hopping through. R rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. S, slither and slide, curvy like a snake that hides. S is for strawberry, juicy too. S rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. T, tall and strong, one short hat sits right on top. T is for tiger at the zoo. T rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, train goes down the track. Let her smile. They'll be back. upside down, like a cup without a crown. U is for umbrella in the rain so blue, he rides the train. Choo choo choo. V point so neat, two long lines that gently meet. V is for violin, playing tunes for you. V rides the train. Choo choo choo. W wiggle wide, two little V's side by side. W is for watermelon, juicy too. W rides the train. Choo choo choo. X cross the way, two long sticks that love to play. X is for xylophone, ding ding do. X rides the train. Choo choo choo. Y split up high like a tree branch in the sky. Y is for yo-yo, spinning through. Y rides the train. Choo choo choo. Z zigzag fast, zooming by and built to last. Z is for zebra at the zoo. Z rides the train. Choo choo choo. Choo choo train goes down the track. All the letters now wave back. A to Z all sang for you. Choo choo choo. We're rolling through.
Subscribe Starry Kids for more fun learning videos.